Alright, we're about to unleash Morpheus.
Right, so Sky Sniper turned out to be a disappointment. Now we're taking the big guns out. Can we focus on it just to see how big it is? Now that, in relation to my head, that's about as big as my head. Alright, I think we're ready.